Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are a diverse group of reptiles of the clade Dinosauria. When we hear dinosaurs, the first thing that comes to our mind is Tyrannosaurus Rex, also known as T-Rex. The species Tyrannosaurus Rex, Rex meaning king in Latin, often called T-Rex or colloquially T-Rex, is one of the best represented theropods. Tyrannosaurus lived throughout what is now western North America, on what was then an island continent known as Laramidia. Tyrannosaurus Rex was one of the most ferocious predators to ever walk the earth. With a massive body, sharp teeth, and jaws so powerful they could crush a car, this famous carnivore dominated the forested river valleys in western North America during the late Cretaceous period, 68 million years ago. Like other tyrannosaurids, Tyrannosaurus was a bipedal carnivore with a massive skull balanced by a long, heavy tail. This dinosaur's muscular body stretched as long as 40 feet, about the size of a school bus, from its snout to the tip of its powerful tail. The most complete T-Rex skeleton ever found was nicknamed Sue after its discoverer, paleontologist Sue Hendrickson. Measurements of Sue suggest T-Rex was one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs to ever live, coming in at up to 13 feet, 4 meters tall at the hips, the beast's highest point since it did not stand erect, and 40 feet, 12.3 meters, long. A recent analysis of Sue, published in 2011 in the journal PLOS ONE, shows T-Rex weighed as much as 9 tons, about 8,160 kilograms. Rex clocked a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a walking speed between 4.5 and 6.7 miles per hour. If you are Usain Bolt, then you might have a chance of running from a T-Rex, but for other average humans, you can't outrun a T-Rex, which means you are already a dead meat. These dinosaurs likely preyed on living animals and scavenged carcasses, and sometimes they even ate one another. T-Rex was also adept at finding its prey with its keen sense of smell. The head of a T-Rex was the real stuff of nightmares. This fierce carnivore was optimally built for crunching through its meals, with a stiff skull that allowed it to channel all the force of its muscles into one bite, delivering up to 6 tons of pressure. This dinosaur used its 60 serrated teeth, each about 8 inches long, to pierce and grip flesh, throwing prey into the air and swallowing it whole. Now let's see how T-Rex hunts its prey. A study by Emily J. Rayfield from the University of Bristol further supported that Tyrannosaurus used the puncture and pull feeding strategy, where the Tyrannosaurus would startle its prey with a powerful bite and then drag its teeth back through its prey's flesh and bone. T-Rex had a wide field of binocular vision, around 55 degrees, that's 13 times the field of a human. Rex evolved features that improved its vision. Its snout grew lower and narrower, cheek grooves cleared its sightlines, and its eyeballs enlarged. It was a selective advantage for this animal to see three-dimensionally ahead of it. Dinosaurs lived on Earth for about 165 years. And they went extinct about 65 million years ago. Geological evidence indicates that dinosaurs became extinct at the boundary between the Cretaceous and Paleogene eras, at a time when there was worldwide environmental change resulting from the impact of a large celestial object with the Earth and/or from vast volcanic eruptions. There was no doubt that the Tyrannosaurus T-Rex was the biggest predator that ever lived on Earth.